What up guys, this is Lord High the Dads from the DadzLife YouTube channel, and today is a very special day. Boom! You know, we have the Versace unboxing for the Christmas. I'm wearing my vintage Versace tee. I'm wearing my vintage Versace necklace. The Greek key vintage necklace. The Versace ring. And the Versace watch. So you don't know, everybody can see I'm always showing love to Versace. I can show you the Medusa head tattoo. So you don't know, showing love to Versace. So before, that was just to show you before we get into it. You don't know, because today is all about Versace. So I'm doing my Versace t-shirt unboxing, Versace tee, and we're doing my Versace dress shirt unboxing. So before we get into it, you don't know, I wanted a brand new t-shirt, so I got a brand new Versace t-shirt. If you can see, that's just the vibe. The back plain. They said this retails for about $70. So this is like a $70 t-shirt. If you look, you can see. Yeah. And then I got a brand new dress shirt as well. Look. Brand new dress shirt, it's like a fuchsia color. So, but it's like a crazy color. You know Versace, they always have like a lot of crazy colors. It has faces in it. Got the Versace logo. So it's a really nice shirt, as you can see. So that's the Versace unboxing for today. So I did the full white tee with the gold on it. You don't know, just some aspects of gold. If you look closely, you can see the Medusa head is right here hidden. And if you look at this one, you can see the faces, and right here it says Versace. As you can see, the Versace logo. Everything authentic, you don't know. Versace logo. So that's it for today, guys. You don't know, it's the unboxing. You don't know. Big up yourself. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for everybody keep watching. Everybody going on Instagram and liking and making sure them following me. Everybody subscribing to the channel, making it bigger and better. So big up yourself. So you don't know, it's all about Versace. As I say, Versace vintage necklace, Versace Greek key necklace, Versace ring, Versace watch, Versace tattoo. You don't know. Big up yourself. And this is all about Versace, the all about Versace day, the unboxing. Big up. Boom. Remember to like and subscribe. Bim!